But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
아 이게 작동이 안 돼. 짜증나. 지금 3년째야. 그래서 내가 부품을 샀어. 보여줄게. 와우. 이게 전국에 재고 없어갖고 봐봐. 이 전국에 재고가 없어갖고 색깔이 은색으로 샀다니까. 비슷해. 한번 봐보자. 여기 눌러봐봐.
여기까지.
봐봐. 눌러봐봐. 그 버튼 눌러봐봐. 그리고 이거 눌러봐봐. 느낌 좀 다르지?
비슷한데?
비슷하냐? 장착해봤다 안 되면 또 환불해야 되는 거 아니야?
그럼 이제 너의 수고가 더 있는.
아, 쉣. 오케이, 일단 가자. 가보자.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? 가자!
난리 난 거 다 이 바닥 뜯은 거야 지금. 글로브 박스 다 일어났잖아 지금. 자, 그럼 일단 이렇게 해야 쓰겠어. 카센터에서 봐봐, 여기 선을 몇 개를 이었냐 지금. 와, 이런, 아니 하나짜리를 지금 3개로 만들었다가 또 2개가 되고 또 쭉 가다 보면은 또 4개가 되고 개판이야. 선을 몇 번을 자른 거야 도대체. 아, 정말 짜증나네. 일단 내려놓고.
여자친구 있어요?
아니요, 없어요.
없었어요?
없어요.
없었어요?
아니, 없어요.
아, 있었는데?
아니, 없어요, 그냥.
But if I lay down and I play dead